Sabaidi. Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. I'm gonna show you how to make Nam Meung Lang. Okay, Nam Meung Lang is we use like what you call like dry sticky rice, and it's kind of like the food that is kind of like snack. It's not like you're gonna eat and food, but like you have a friend come over for the weekend or your family member come over to your house. You wanna make one of these so everybody have a snack. Okay, so let me show you what we have here. This is a dry pork skin, and I'm gonna deep fry. Okay, เป็นเคียบหมู okay. This is rice. This one is leftover. So I just try, one sun like outside one day, and that's how they become. And I have peanut here, and I'm gonna roast my peanut and pepper. I'm gonna deep fry my pepper also, and I have a chicken flavor, and I have padek, and I have fish sauce and a salt, and this one is my garlic, like homemade garlic, fried garlic, and this is shallot, fried shallot that I have. Okay, so when I deep fry this one, I'm gonna use the this one is the pork oil, like you kind of grill it and it's become oil, so I'm gonna use that one. I don't use vegetable oil for this one. Okay, it's kind of give more like crispy and taste better, more flavor. Okay, so let's go ahead and start roast the peanut, and this is one of my favorite part. I have this for probably 20 years, but I love to use this one. When you do this stuff, it gives more flavors for some reason. Okay, so you wanna put like low heat, slowly. Let it slow cook. If you cook too fast, it's gonna be burned, and they're not gonna taste good. Okay, so just take time. Vegetable oil. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna deep fry the dry chili. Okay, when you deep fry the dry chili pepper, it's very carefully. Don't make the oil too hot. Okay. You're gonna see like the bubble a little bit. That is just perfect. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in there. Okay, do you see how the chili pepper is used to be like very light color, and now it start to be like dark color, very deep red color? That's good enough. Okay, go ahead, take off from the heat, and the heat is in the pepper. It will cook themselves too. Okay, so you wanna put on the side. You don't want any darker than this. If darker than this, they don't taste good. Okay, that's how you fry the pepper, chili pepper, and the oil. Save for cook on something else too. Okay. Yeah, the dry pork skin, and I'm gonna go ahead deep fry them. Okay. It's the pork skin I lay on the sun for a day, and then what I use here, I use the fat from the pork. Okay, while I turn on my heat to medium high heat, I'm gonna go ahead put the dry skin in, but with the low heat. Okay, it will be slow cook. I got really strong arms, so I can do this. Okay, for you guys, y'all have to be extra careful, deal with all that hot stuff. Okay, and then what I do, I just let this soak. See how hot it is, and I'm gonna let this rest until it's cool down, and then we refry again. Okay. What it is let all the pork skin absorb to the oil. Okay. Rest for like while until it's completely cool down. If you don't have time to deep fry right away, you can leave them overnight or put in refrigerator. When you're ready to eat, then just deep fry second round. Okay. And now it's cool. See, I can put my finger in there. It's super cool, and it's a little crunchy, but they're not puffy like this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go ahead and use that oil. But when you deep fry, don't put the whole thing in, just a little bit at a time, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of vegetable oil. And I'm sorry, not vegetable oil, it's the from the pork fat. Okay, now my oil is very hot already, so go ahead, kind of drop it. Turn to be like white color. It's not ready. You want to wait until it's become a golden color. Okay, you see how like you keep frying until it's become like golden color, kind of like crispy looking, and then you can go ahead and take it out. Remove them from the heat right away, okay? Lemon glass. Let's take a look one more. I think that's too big. I'm gonna do one at a time. Okay. Like I deep fry all the rice crispy, all this, and then we have to blend it real good, okay? Okay, what I do, I boil the hot water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add all the seasoning in, salt, and this is black soy sauce. For the color, and also put padek in there, get that heat going on, so that way it tastes better too, okay? Make padek cook, and then chicken broth. And that's all. Turn off my heat. Okay, after the water kind of like, in between hot and warm, so you go ahead mix it in. But don't put a lot, just a little bit at a time, 1 cup at a time, and work your way. Okay? You want to mix it well, and then make sure you kind of like make it soft a little bit, make it soft, so that way when it's cooled down, the rice is kind of like swelling a little bit, and they kind of like perfect thick, okay? I'll show you a little bit. Okay, see, Nam Meung Lang, the rice is done. That's what it's put. I love the texture. I like how it's the soft, the thickness, and everything in here. Perfect, okay? Everything look good. So you wanna go ahead and put on the serve bowl. Okay, gonna put in, and later on I'm gonna put some garlic and onion on top. that looks so good. Okay. Now, put Charlotte in. And then sprinkle the garlic in. Okay. Well. I'm finished cooking for tonight. This is called Mieng Meung Lang. And how you eat it, you're gonna eat with a ladle like this, okay? And this one is family like mint, okay? We call Padek, okay? And then you can put this ladle under here, but I like it over because whenever I wrap, they stay better, okay? So what you do, you're gonna put the mieng rice here, put the rice here like that, okay? And then you wanna put the peanut in like this, and this is lemongrass. Just put a little bit here like that, okay? Tomato and pork rice right here. Right? Onion, and I like this bun makok, okay? I like how it smells, and they give like a sour taste to it a little bit. You don't have to use it, but I have this in my garden, and I enjoy the taste. So I'll go ahead and put it in here. Then you're gonna put like pepper, like whole thing like this, and wrap it up. Go. I just taste everything in my mouth. The pepper, everything. It's hard to explain.